Welcome to the 2019 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. We're here with some of the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is LinMot. I'm talking with Adam. So Adam, tell me what your company does.
So LinMot provides low voltage tubular servos for the automation world.
Okay, and tell me about this pick and place solution you have here.
So this pick and place uses our new DM guide modules. So it's a single part number for the guides. They're more for the pharmaceutical world, as it's a hardened anodized surface for easy wipe down. So the pick and place next to us is a bolt together solution that each axis is a single part number, and we'll sell the base that these are mounted to as well.
Okay, and I know you've got other things that you're showing off here that your attendees are excited about, so let's go take a look at those now. So I'm here with Max. Max, tell us about this demo you have here.
Sure. So this is our SIP-Sync demo. So we're showcasing the power of timestamp coordinated motion with SIP-Sync. We've got our P1070 running with the Allen Bradley Kinetics 5700 drive. And then over here on the other side, we've got one of our motors running with our C1250 CM SIP-Sync drive. The beauty of SIP-Sync is you get that timestamp coordinated motion. So when you want to coordinate multiple axes and absolute coordination is critical, SIP-Sync offers that ability.
And what are some typical applications for this or industries that would use it?
So anyone who's looking at systems with multiple axes, who's looking at precise coordination between multiple axes would be a good fit for SIP-Sync.
Okay, and you can learn a lot more about this and the other solutions from LinMot by going to the URL you see on your screen and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2019 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.